We are at Lake Bala, Lake Bala, and it is about 6 p.m. Oh, and it is a bit drizzly, and the waves. Yes, you want to go through too. I'm coming. Yahida. Oh la la. Come on, Woofer. Oh, no, hurry. Oh la la. Yes, well, it's very Welsh weather. Oh yes. That's a vegan dog. Fegan dog in Welsh. That is Tegid. Tegid is the name of the lake in Cymraeg, which is Welsh. It's Welsh. Cymraeg. Oh gosh, look at that. It's a bit misty. It's very atmospheric, isn't it? Oh yes. Yep, we're going down to the shore. Oh, yep. This is me. Oh, I can catch myself on it. Oh, yes. Oh, it's very atmospheric. Lynn, Tegid. Oh, it's very nice. Well, we're trying to get to Bala from the seaside, but we got lost by the signpost, do they? Oh, well, you know. Had signpost to Bala from Lake Burnley. That's where we were, watching birds at Burnley. Oh, isn't that pretty? Of course, the fairy tale is there was a horrid chap called Tegid, who was an aristocrat. They're always horrid, aren't they? And he was having a harpist play, and he didn't like it. I don't know what he did. But anyway, the next thing you know, the whole village ended up under the lake. And the harpist came back and couldn't play the next piece. So that was this fairy tale. Oh, wish a bit nippy here. Oh yes.